Imagine you've been running a blog for years, creating valuable content using Elementor. Now, you're launching a new website and want to move all your blog posts without losing their Elementor design. Instead of manually copying and pasting content or importing and exporting templates one by one, you can bulk export and import Elementor content in just a few clicks with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. These are the 2 posts I have in my website. You can see the posts are designed in Elementor. Let's start with exporting. Open WP Ultimate CSV Importer and go to the Export tab. Since we're moving blog posts, select Posts as the post type. Click Continue. Enter a file name. Choose CSV format. And click Export. The plugin will generate a CSV file containing all your Elementor-designed posts, including text, images, and formatting. Download this file. Open the file and verify the result. I'll open and show it in Google Sheet. You can see my 2 posts are exported successfully. Now you're ready for the next step. Let's see how to import these posts. Open WP Ultimate CSV Importer and go to the Import/Update tab. Upload the exported CSV file. And select Posts as the post type. In the Field Mapping section, match all the Elementor content fields to ensure the post layout stays the same. Make sure to map the post title, it's mandatory. Once done, save mapping with a name and click Continue. Click Import. and within minutes, all your Elementor-designed blog posts will be recreated on your website exactly as they were before. With WP Ultimate CSV Importer, you can transfer your entire Elementor-powered blog, duplicate content across multiple sites, or even back up your posts with ease. No manual effort, just export, import, and you're done. Try WP Ultimate CSV Importer today and simplify your WordPress content migration. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WordPress tips.